Okay, today we'll be doing the bird island hike. It's really simple, about 0.5 mile hike. That's the bird island right there, and this is the hike. You can come here and park. It is quite simple. I think anybody can do it. It's open all year long. Okay guys, let's do the bird island trail. It's very close to San Francisco, about 10 to 15 miles away, and we'll start from this way. We'll go zigzag, couple of switchbacks, and that's the bird island. I think we'll be there in about 10 minutes. See you soon. So they've created some stairs on the hike, and it's really simple, and you can feel a taste of salt water, maybe some sort of fishy smell over here. It's quite beautiful and quite nice, and that's the beauty of San Francisco. This is just 10 to 15 minutes away. You can even bike to this trail. You don't have to drive. And we'll go down to the bird stone. Okay, see you soon. So this hike is quite nice. It's like walking in a garden. I think downhill is much easier. Maybe uphill will have some work. And the best part about hiking in the Bay Area is on certain trails there is almost no traffic. You might find 5-10 people over here. That's it. So you can always find trails in the Bay Area which are more secluded if you like it. I like less traffic trail, and you can see the beautiful beach right in front of us. Hardly any traffic, and you could have beach almost to yourself. You can bring a swimsuit, wetsuit, and enjoy the water. So let's accelerate and try to reach the beach. And looks like there is nobody over here, and look what beautiful stairs they have created. So thank you to the generations who stayed in San Francisco. And look at the beautiful sound of water and the waves. And this was just like half a mile away from the parking lot, and it is quite simple trail. And thank you for creating all the stairs. Let's just enjoy the beach, and then we'll hike back, and you can see the bird stone or whatever that is, bird rock, right over here. Okay friends, I'll stop over here and enjoy some ocean views. Looks like we can go to the rodeo beach right from here. That's very interesting. Okay friends, see you soon. So this is a quick view of the bird stone. You can see some birds over there, and this is quite beautiful. This water generally have rip curls, so water goes in rips. If you ever want to get out of rip current, just swim parallel and don't fight the water, and don't panic. The reason people die in the ocean water is they start panicking. If you panic, you need more oxygen. If you don't panic, you could potentially survive ocean water. And just remember to parallel and then wait for the next wave that will bring you in. Okay friends, here is the bird rock, and let's go back. It is quite beautiful.